Hey everyone, so this time we're going to look at my settings and uploading content for the lesson. So you saw how important this little purple button to the bottom right was last time for your students and you, but this time we're going to look at what else it gives the teacher. So let's open it up, and the very last cog there is my settings. So it's in 3 sections. The top one is audio and video, middle one notification, the bottom one session. Now the session settings are really important. So first of all, only show profile pictures for moderators. Entirely up to you. That's not too important either way, but these ones you have to decide and set up. Participants can share audio, I want mine to talk. Share video, I want to see them. Post messages, I want to communicate with them. Draw on the whiteboard and files, I do want them to be able to annotate work. So those ones, really important. Now the default settings might be fine for you, but you do need to just check. Notifications. Do I want notification when someone joined or left the breakout group or the session? Yep, I'll have a pop-up notice. I don't want an audio notification. You get a constant noise is a nuisance. Audio and visual settings. Now then, set up my camera and my microphone. I could use my phone for audio, which I don't want to do, and that's my speaker volume. I'm going to turn down to about 70 because often at 100 it's too loud for me. Okay, so I have altered my settings for this session. And now I'm going to go on to the Share Content button, which is the important part for our lesson. Share content. Right, so first thing I can share is an ordinary whiteboard. Okay, so we've got a whiteboard here. I can grab a pencil and I can draw. I can grab the text tool and I can write. So you need to play with those tools a little bit just to see what's available and get used to them. Clear everything. Draw a big black box, a big blue box. Crayon, not very sophisticated, but still a whiteboard. It might still be useful. Okay? So if I stop sharing, and the stop sharing anything is this little button on the top of the square box in a circle. Okay. Share an application. Alright. I can share anything I've got open. Share a picture of my beautiful grandsons if I needed to. I could have something prepared. Cancel. I don't want to share my screen, but there are times when I will. Share files. Now this is the one that is really important for teachers. So now there are no files there to share, but I can add some. Drag images, PowerPoints, PDFs, or select to choose. Now because of the time it takes, I've already uploaded a couple of things into the course, into the add files before I restarted the video. So where it says add files, I can drag images, PDFs. Modern PowerPoints don't seem to go, but older ones do. So I'm going to drag another PDF, child's exercise, but that's the one I want people to do in breakout rooms later, so I'm sending up my work, uploading parts of the body, and finally I'm going to have a picture which is the rubric. Okay, so there we are. I've uploaded 4 documents that I want for my lesson.